Namaste students, good morning to all. Last two classes we have seen this story Chota Jadukar story. It means little magician. Today we are going to finish this story. Okay children, up to this we have finished in last class. Okay, from here onwards I am going to start today. 10 बज चुके थे. It was 10 o'clock. मैंने देखा उस निर्मल धूप में सड़क के किनारे एक कपड़े पर छोटा जादूगर का रंगमंच सजा था. I saw that the theatre of the little magician was decorated by the side of the road on a cloth in a clear sunshine. मैं मोटर रोकर उतर पड़ा. I stopped the car and got down. वहाँ बिल्ली रूठ रही थी. The cat was getting offended there. Okay, बालू मनाने चला था. Bear was trying to patch up. ब्याह की तैयारी थी. Preparation for marriage were going on. Okay, listen, next page. यह सब होते हुए भी जादूगर की वाणी में वह प्रसन्नता नहीं थी. These all things happened there. When he was trying to make others laugh, he himself seemed to be shiver. Who? The little magician. जब वह औरों को हंसने की चेष्टा कर रहा था तब जैसे स्वयं कांप जाता था. Okay, what he did, he was trying to make others laugh, but he is not enjoying the. Okay, खेल हो जाने पर पैसा बटोर कर उसने भीड़ में मुझे देखा. As the game was over, he collected the money and saw me among the crowd. Okay, he saw me. Okay, वह जैसे क्षण पर के लिए सफूर्तिमान हो गया. Okay, he kind of got energized for a moment when he saw him. Okay, he energized at a moment. Okay, मैंने उसकी पीठ तपतपाते हुए पूछा, आज तुम्हारा खेल जमा क्यों नहीं? I patted his back. I patted the little magician and asked him, why did your game not settle today? Okay, like that I asked him. Okay, what he said. माँ ने कहा है कि आज तुरंत चले आना. My mom said, come soon today. Dear son, like that my mom said. Okay, मेरी घड़ी समीप है. My time is near. अविचल भाव से उसने कहा. He said unwavering. So sad, no? तब भी तुम खेल दिखाने चले आया. मैंने कुछ क्रोध से कहा. Even though you had come for the show, I said him somewhat angrily. Okay, why did you come here to show the show? Like that I said him angrily. Okay, उसने कहा क्यों ना आता और कुछ अधिक कहने में जैसे वह अपमान का अनुभव कर रहा था. He said, why shouldn't I? As if he was feeling insulted to say more. Okay, listen. क्षण पर में मुझे अपनी भूल मालूम हो गई. I realized my mistake in the fraction of a second. I didn't show him any anger. I realized my mistake at the next second also. Okay, listen. उसके झोले को गाड़ी में फेंककर उसे भी बैठाते हुए मैंने कहा, जल्दी चलो. Throwing his bag in my car, I made him sit too and said, move fast. Okay, जल्दी चलो. I said to the car driver, जल्दी चलो. मोटर वाला मेरे बताते हुए पथ पर चला पड़ा. The driver went on the way told by me. कुछ ही मिनटों में माँ झोंपड़ी के पास पहुंचा. Okay, I reached the hut in a few minutes. We reached the hut in a few minutes. Okay, listen, we went very fast. जादूगर दौड़कर झोंपड़ी में माँ पुकारते हुए घुसा. Magician ran inside the hut calling out, mother, mother. Like that he ran very fast to see his mother. मैं भी पीछे था, किंतु स्त्री के मुख से बे निकल कर रह गया. I also followed him, but the woman couldn't say anything else except B. Okay? उसके दुर्बल हाथ उठकर गिर गया. Her weak hands raised and fell down. जादूगर उसे लिपटा रो रहा था. मैं स्तब्ध था. The magician was crying, hugging her mother. I was stunned because his mother passed away. उस उज्जवल धूप में समग्र संसार जैसे जादू सा मेरे चारों ओर नृत्य करने लगा. In the bright sunshine, the whole world, just like magic, seemed to dance around me. Yes, children, the whole world is like a magic only. Okay, this lesson, who wrote the lesson? Jai Shankar Prasad. Okay, this is the story of Jai Shankar Prasad. I hope you all have understood this story. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.